Welcome back, mathematicians, and let's get ready to go over our problem. I want to remind you that mathematicians can use the solve method to solve word problems by showing and explaining their thinking. So we're going to study our problem, making sure that we understand what the problem is asking us to find. We're going to organize our facts, circling all important facts. We're going to line up a plan by choosing two different strategies, and we're going to verify our plan with action with those strategies. And then last, we're going to examine our results by asking if our answer makes sense. Hope you had worked on a goal as you were solving your problem. And remember that you can always pause this video whenever you need to speak to someone. Turn and share. So let's continue by reading the problem and going through our solve steps. Sarah had some money in her pocket. She bought a lollipop for 9 cents. She bought an eraser from the bookstore for 7 cents. She had 4 cents left in her pocket. How much money did she have to start with? So let's go through the steps. So let me ask you, what is this problem asking me to find? Take a minute, think about it. What is the problem asking us to find? So the problem is asking us to find how much money did she have to start with? Did you see, mathematicians, how I underlined the question? Let's move on to the next step. Organize the facts. What important facts is this problem giving me? Let's go back and read it again. Sarah had some money in her pocket. Do you think that's important in order to solve the problem? Is that a fact that we need to circle? I don't think so, so we're going to draw a line through it because we don't need it. Let's continue. She bought a lollipop for 9 cents. Is that important? She bought a lollipop for 9 cents. That's important. She bought an eraser from the bookstore for 7 cents. Do you think we need that? Is that an information that we need to circle? I believe so. She bought an eraser for 7 cents, right? She had 4 cents left in her pocket. Do you think that's important? Should we circle that information? I definitely agree. She had 4 cents left in her pocket. Did you see, mathematicians, how we underline the question? We study the problem, we make sure we understand what the question is asking us, what the problem is asking us, and we underline our questions. Then we organize our facts by circling all important facts. Now we need to line up a plan. Now, what strategies are you going to use to solve the problem? Remember, you need to show your thinking two different ways. So I'm thinking I'm going to use drawings in conjunction with the manipulatives, and I'm also going to use a number sentence for the next one. So let me see. So she bought a lollipop for 9 cents. I'm going to draw the lollipop right here. And I know that this lollipop costs 9 cents. Then she bought an eraser for 7 cents. I'm going to draw the eraser right here. It's like a triangular eraser, right? And she pays 7 cents for this eraser. And then she has 4 cents left in her pocket. So I'm going to draw her pocket. And this is the money that she has left. She has what? 4 cents left in her pocket. So let's see. Now the question is asking me to find how much money did she have to start with. So I'm thinking that if I add all of these together, then I will know how much money she had to start with. What do you think? Do you agree? Excellent. So she had 9 cents, right? One, I put that one back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you don't need to use a manipulative, do not use it. 6, 7, 8, 9. So that represents what she paid for the lollipop. And then she paid 7 cents for the eraser. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? She paid 7 cents for the eraser, and she had 4 cents left in her pocket. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm trying to figure out how much money she had to start with. Well, she had all of this to start with. She had 9 cents plus 7 cents and 4 cents. And when I add them up together, what do I get? 9 plus 7 gives me, what does it give you? It gives me 16. 16 plus 4 gives us what? Gives us 20. So let's see. Let's verify our plan with another strategy. So she had 9 cents that she spent for the lollipop, plus 7 cents for the eraser, plus the 4 cents that she had in her pocket. How much money did she have in the beginning? Right? So 7 plus 9, or 9 plus 7 gives us 16. 16 plus 4, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So she had 20 cents to start with. So I'm going to answer the question. How much money did she have to start with? She had 20 cents. Mathematicians, did you see how I study the problem by underlining the question, making sure I understand what the question is asking me to find? I organize my facts by circling all important facts. I line up a plan by using 2 different strategies. I verify my plan with action. And then I examine my results, asking if my answer makes sense. Make sure that you are always using the solve method when you are solving your problem. Till next time, good luck.